I'm making a piece that will show this place within the community. Relationships, friendships, family. This piece should frame that within the real environment.
There's a lot of things that make you not pollute the environment.
It's a real sense of neighbourhood and unity.
I mean, you can walk around, a lot of people know each other, everyone says good morning, everybody says goodbye, and there's quite a nice community here.
So nearby foliage, solar panels, biodomes, but always with human interaction at the heart of the whole piece. I think this place means it. I think it's a very authentic, genuine community feeling here. So let's give a big hand to Zoom Sustainable City.